Random facts. Yawning, a simple yet fascinating act, can spread like wildfire among those who witness it, instilling a sense of shared experience. This contagious behavior might stem from a deep-rooted connection to empathy, revealing how our brains are wired to resonate with each other. Studies suggest that even just thinking about yawning can trigger the response, demonstrating our innate ability to connect with others' feelings. Interestingly, this phenomenon isn't confined to humans. Many animals exhibit similar yawning behaviors, hinting at a shared evolutionary trait. Researchers believe that yawning could serve as a social signal, promoting group cohesion and synchronizing behaviors within a community.